channel. Today I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to do a slip knot. Usually, depending on your pattern, you're going to do a slip knot in your work to put your hook onto and start your project. So there's a couple different ways, actually there's several ways. I'm just going to show you two of those today. So the first one is probably a little bit more old school, but it's pretty simple. You're going to take your yarn, you're going to wrap it around your finger. So you have this loop. I take it off my finger, and the back yarn I'm going to put through, but I'm not going to pull it through all the way. I'm going to pull it just until it stops. So you can see it created a little, like a knot there, but it's a slip knot because you can just pull it right back out. So let's do that one more time. So, and make sure you have enough at the tail end so it won't pull all the way through when you pull it. So take the yarn and wrap it around your finger. I take it off so that I now have a loop, and with the tail in the back, I actually pull that through, not all the way though, just until that stops like that. So that's your knot. You can put your hook in there, and then you can adjust it by pulling that. So that, you can adjust it either way because it's it moves. That's why it's called a slip knot. So that's one way. Then you can take that right off. The other way is to do a slip knot with your hook. I think it just takes a little bit more finesse, but it's certainly one way to do it without actually having to take it off your finger and all that type of stuff. So for this one, you're going to start with it wrapped around your hook. I have the tail in the back, so it's kind of on your hook. And if you just wrap around so that it's now twisted, kind of a double twist around your hook, then you can take the long part, not the tail, but the long part, and just pull it through, yarn over and pull that through. Now you've got a slip knot. See that? Same thing, and it can get tighter or smaller, and you can also just, like the other one, pull it right out. Okay, let's do that one more time. So we're going to have it on your hook on there. You're going to wrap it around so it's now kind of twisted around there. You're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull that yarn right through the little hole that you made from the twist, and there's your slip stitch. So I hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions or need any further information, please feel free to leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.